I'm getting to New York City in a private jet because it's Monroe's first birthday and she deserves it.
How am I getting? Rental car. Driving. Myself. 'Cause I'm already on the road on the East Coast. You're sitting there having caviar in a private jet while I'm sitting there scarving down a freaking burrito.
How does that go again?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that again.
Hey, when Maryse comes, start Maryse chants. Deal? Deal? Deal?
Monroe, oh, Monroe, look! Look, it's your dad! Oh, he's so cute! Look at him!
Really? Really? You're kidding.
Such a romantic.
You're kidding. You're in an extended Escalade.
Oh.
And you still couldn't fit everything in the car? Who put that up there? You want to see what else I did for you?
Huh?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Unlock the door. Unlock? You have to...
Wait, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Maryse! 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 Maryse!
Wait,
Oh.
sorry.
Sorry, man.
Here we go.
Maryse! 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 You can do it!
Let's go, Maryse!
Thank you, guys.
What about us?